Welcome to my channel, the place where we help you take control of your finances and build a wealthier future. In today's video, we're diving deep into the best personal finance and investing strategies that will help you grow your wealth in 2025 and beyond. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to take it to the next level, these tips are perfect for you. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video packed with actionable tips on money management, investing, and financial freedom. Let's kick things off by understanding the basics of personal finance. Building a solid financial foundation is the key to wealth. So, what are the pillars of personal finance? Let's break it down. Budgeting. Start by creating a budget. Track your income and expenses to understand where your money is going. Tools like Mint or YNAB can make this process easier. Budgeting tips, how to create a budget, best budgeting tools, manage expenses, financial planning. Emergency fund. Before investing, build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a savings account. Emergency fund tips. Financial safety net. How to save for emergencies. Debt management. If you have high-interest debt, prioritize paying it off. Debt can hinder your ability to invest, so focus on getting it under control. Debt management. How to pay off debt. Reduce debt for investing. Now that we've got the basics of personal finance down, let's talk about investing. Investing is where your money starts to work for you, and there are several ways to approach it. Stock market investing. Investing in stocks allows you to grow your wealth over time, but it requires understanding risk and doing research. Stock market investing tips. How to invest in stocks. Stock market beginners. Real estate investing. Real estate is another great way to build wealth, whether through rental properties or house flipping. Real estate investment strategies, investing in property, passive income from real estate. Bonds and ETFs. If you're looking for safer investments, bonds and ETFs offer lower risks and consistent returns. Best ETFs for beginners, bond investing, how to choose ETFs. Retirement accounts, IRA, 401k. Don't forget about retirement savings. Contribute to retirement accounts like your 401k or IRA for tax advantages. Retirement savings tips, IRA versus 401k, tax-advantaged accounts. Now that you understand the basics of investing, let's talk about building a diversified portfolio. Diversification is key to reducing risk and increasing potential returns. What is diversification? Diversification means spreading your investments across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, etc., to reduce risk. Diversification strategies, building a diversified portfolio, reduce investment risk. Asset allocation. Asset allocation is how you divide your investments among different asset classes. A typical portfolio might be 60% stocks, 30% bonds, and 10% real estate. Asset allocation tips. How to diversify your portfolio. Investment allocation strategy. Rebalancing your portfolio. Don't forget to regularly check and rebalance your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Portfolio rebalancing. How to rebalance investments. Investment strategies for growth. Let's look ahead to 2025. The world of investing is constantly evolving, and new opportunities arise every year. Here are some of the best investment strategies you should consider in 2025. Growth stocks. Growth stocks are companies expected to grow faster than the market average. They offer the potential for high returns, but come with higher risk. Best growth stocks. High potential stocks, growth stock investing tips. Sustainable and ESG investing. If you care about the environment and social causes, Consider ESG investing. These funds focus on sustainable companies. ESG investing, sustainable investing tips, green investment strategies. Cryptocurrency. While volatile, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum offer new ways to diversify your portfolio. But be sure to understand the risks before diving in. Cryptocurrency investing. Bitcoin investment tips. How to invest in Ethereum. Index funds and ETFs. Index funds and ETFs are great for beginners. They offer a simple, low-cost way to invest in the overall market. Best index funds. Investing in ETFs. Low-cost investments. While investing can be a great way to build wealth, there are some common mistakes to avoid. Let's go over a few of them. Not having a plan. Investing without a clear plan is like driving without a map. Define your goals and stick to a strategy. Common investment mistakes. How to make an investment plan. Financial goals. Chasing quick returns. Don't fall for the temptation of quick returns. It's better to have a long-term strategy. Long-term investing. Avoid chasing quick returns. Patient investing strategies. Overtrading. Frequent buying and selling can eat into your returns due to fees and taxes. Stick to a strategy and avoid overtrading. Overtrading mistakes. Buying and selling stocks. Avoid trading fees. To wrap up, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Start by mastering personal finance basics, understanding the world of investing, and creating a diversified portfolio. And remember, the key to success is consistency, patience, and continuous learning. Take action. Start small and build up. Whether it's budgeting, saving, or investing, the important thing is to start today. Personal Finance Action Plan. How to start investing. Take control of your finances. Subscribe for more. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips on personal finance, investing, and wealth building. Drop a comment below with your favorite investment strategy or topic you'd like to see covered. Don't forget to download my free personal finance checklist and guide in the description box below.